All right, what's going on, guys? Luke here. We had one trade today. We ended up taking a break even here, the executions. Not the greatest trade, but I'm going to go through it for you guys really quick. Today was CPI. First of all, in CPI, ended up doing the method and, added some rapid eval. So hopefully I can't get them till tonight. So hopefully tomorrow or maybe sometime this week I'll end up trading those. But anyway, coming into the day today, I was leaning either way because we had swept out previous day low. We could see on the 4 hour we were respecting this 4 hour bearish gap, so we were kind of just in between areas where I wanted to see price go, because for sell side we had all this low resistance liquidity leading into this 2 hour gap, and then we had these 30-minute, these 15-minute gaps which you could use as conditions to see price trade higher. But we also had the CPI low right here as well. So I personally wanted to see a manipulation lower, maybe continuation shorts lower, and then a move higher. That's what my main idea was. So market opens up, manipulates down into this 30-minute gap. From here, I'm not interested in longs whatsoever because I want to see us dip a bit lower into this lower gap, and then we have low resistance below. We also, like I said, have that CPI candle low right there. So yeah, I didn't want to take longs at all here. From here, we accumulate, or we get this retrace. I did kind of like this short right here at 942 to kind of see price flush lower. I just didn't take it personally because I seen that we were obviously respecting a 30-minute bullish gap, and I wanted to wait for 945 to see if it would manipulate. Obviously 945 would have manipulated up here, but then we just chop around and I just end up waiting for 10 a.m. news to come out, and obviously that does send us lower. So this idea was right. Probably would have gotten stopped out though, because stop would have been here, and then price ends up flushing lower. We end up coming down, disrespecting these bullish gaps right here, and we end up sweeping out this low. We end up taking out that CPI low, and then from there, I personally was not a fan of longs here because we still had this low resistance leading into this 2 hour. So there was a 2-minute long right here you could have taken, but at this point, I'm not confident in taking this. Again, we have low resistance below. It's just not a high probability trade in my opinion. It might have worked, but again, it's just not a trade that I was willing to take. So from there, we end up pushing up and taking out the 930 high. And at this point, we still have low resistance below. We have lower time frame, low resistance liquidity leading towards all of this into this unfilled 2-hour gap. So at this point, I'm kind of leaning more bearish. So what did I see here? We end up getting this 5-minute inversion. And at this point, all I was looking for was literally a 1-to-1. I was on MNQ, and MNQ was like a bit weird. It looked a bit different. But all I was looking for pretty much was a 1-to-1. If you look on MNQ, you'll see how the chart looked different. Let me pull it up. So I was on MNQ. I had my entry here, stop was here, and then I was targeting like this. So I did get pretty close to TP. I honestly thought this was going to smack. I went break even. After we closed below, or got below this newly formed internal low right here, you can see we have this newly formed internal low. I thought we were going to flush right to TP, and then we end up getting break even on that. That was the trade that I took. On NQ, it obviously looks a bit different, but it was the same idea. It would have looked something like this, whatever. Just because of MNQ's difference with the stop. But that was what I took. We had this sweep of buy side right here. I wanted to see this low resistance get flushed at this point. Is it the highest probability trade? Because no, because we're not really delivering off anything key here. But I had conviction in this strong close. ES also inversed on the 5-minute as well, so I like that. And I thought maybe we could see a flush lower. Obviously not a high probability setup, but I did think I could get a 1-to-1. But again, we do get pretty close to TP. Again, I go break even at this internal low right here, and then get break even on that trade. But yeah, other than that, guys, there really wasn't much else to go over. We had not a great day of price action. We could see we're starting to maybe get some volume now at 11 a.m. But personally, I do want to see this low resistance get run. But yeah, that was the only trade today, guys. Again, we kind of were just stuck here because we also had 10 a.m. Fed chair speaking. So it's just kind of a weird day today. We'll see what happens. And yeah, anyway, that's it for me, guys. We'll be back at it tomorrow. Hopefully get some good PA, and I'll talk to you guys later. Peace.